Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix copy and paste not working in Windows 7. First method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right click, run as administrator. Type CMD /C, base quote, echo, base off. Pipe, clip, closing quote. Second and final method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right click, run as administrator. Type SFC /scanO. Wait until it reaches 100%. After completes 100%, restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.